Okay, so what I'm preparing today, I don't have any pre-made, but I'm going to make it here. It's called Oat Patties. So this is a nice meat alternative. I know some people might think, well, how is oats going to be a meat alternative? But with all the seasonings, it has a really nice flavor. It goes good with, you could do burgers. Yeah, you can have it with like mashed potatoes. You can put a gravy on it. Just different things. So it's pretty simple. I just want to talk about the ingredients briefly. I think we're familiar with most of these things. There's two things that might be unfamiliar, and one of them is nutritional yeast flakes. You can find these. Are you guys from the Antelope Valley?
Yeah.
Okay, so have you heard of the whole eatery?
Yes.
I'm pretty sure you can find these there.
The
other ingredient is coconut. We're starting to try out the coconut liquid aminos. This is pretty good. It's kind of like a soy sauce alternative. This you can also find, I'm pretty sure, at the whole eatery. Okay. So we'll start off with 4 cups of water into a pot. If you have any questions at any time, feel free to stop me. Okay, so you have the water, then you just want to add all of the seasonings. Everything except the oats you can start putting in there. So calls for 1/3 cup of olive oil. If you're going to use an oil, I think one of the best oils is probably olive oil. Extra virgin if you can. One 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. If I take a moment, just bear with me. This is really my husband's recipe. He showed me how to make these, so. Thanks.
2 points for the men.
A couple of pecans. You can use walnuts also. I prefer the flavor of pecans more than walnuts. But you want to use pieces. You can have larger pieces than this, but this is just what I had. 1/2 cup of the aminos. If you can't find aminos, you can always just, use salt to taste, because this is like a salty, yeah, it's really salty.
And this is ready to replace meat, right?
The patties, yeah.
Yes.
2 tablespoons of salt. You can use, the pink salt's the best. I have some sea salt. So 2 tablespoons of salt. This is different.
What type of salt is that?
This is sea salt. I got this at Trader Joe's. I know California has an abundance of Trader Joe's. So. This is a really nice measuring thing, by the way. You just, I've never seen it.
Some of you guys will be getting one of those today.
Oh, good.
If you're lucky.
I hope I'm eligible. Alright, so just 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 teaspoons. Okay, so we go to teaspoons now. Wow. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Nice. I'm pouring it over the sink just so I don't accidentally put too much in the pot. And then we want 2 teaspoons of onion powder.
Yes. Yes, pretty girl.
And 4 teaspoons of paprika. Paprika's good for flavor. It's also going to give it its color. Give it a nice dark color, like a burger. Teaspoons of paprika. So I guess I'll have to double this. For 4. I'm just Some people just throw things in. I'm one of those people that have to measure everything. Sorry, so yeah, they're like, so just one of those people. Okay. And then a tablespoon. Let's go to our tablespoon of oregano. Where was the oregano?
Do you find it?
I don't think we found it, but we can use.
Well, we'll skip that for now and go to a teaspoon of, you can do sage or thyme. I have thyme today.
Oh, you do? Okay,
Yeah,
this is
okay.
thyme. Is yours
That's
fresh?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, but that's not going to replace oregano.
Mhm.
This is to replace the sage. Let me just do this. I don't think it'll make that big of a difference. Yeah, so we should be okay without it. So just kind of stir it all in there. And then I'm going to take it over to the stove to start cooking it.
The raw oats.
Faster. Yeah. If you want to use other oats, you're more than
Yeah.
welcome. So once that starts, then you're going to add, once it starts boiling, you're going to add the cup of oats, and then it's going to thicken.
Okay.
Right. So I'll just wait for,
How long does,
how long does it take?
yeah,
Just until it boils.
okay.
Yeah, I guess it shouldn't take too long. Yeah, but you just want to, you can just kind of keep stirring it to make sure all the flavors are evenly dispersed. Does anyone else have any other questions? It's going to take just a minute or two to
Where did you find where do you get the liquid aminos from?
Whole Wheatery. I believe you can find it at a Whole Wheatery. If you happen to be in the LA area, you can go to Whole Foods. Definitely will have it.
And the nutritional yeast flakes?
You can get that at Winco.
And equals also?
Yeah, they sell them.
Equals has a lot of things.
Yeah, surprisingly.
And you know,
Yeah.
all these, a lot of things that we
Aldi's.
can't get all these.
Okay.
And the prices are pretty reasonable.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Now we got the Himalayan salt you can get at Costco too.
Okay. Do they have it in the
I
bulk
got mine
section?
at Ross, actually.
Well,
When I was checking out, they had like a whole bunch of
Okay.
Himalayan salt. Like a little hour.
But it's, I know I went to, it was Trader Joe's, that they have it so much, like $8 a pound or $6 a pound, but you only paid $1 or something at Winco for the
Yeah,
Himalayan
I
salt.
got mine
Okay.
for like $3 for the Hawaiian.
Yeah, that's really good.
Hawaiian.
The best one.
Mhm.
The best station.
I'm gonna turn the oven down to 350. Okay, so we're back to the Oat Patties. What you want to do is just have a little bit of oil because the consistency can get stuck to your hands.
Okay.
So you know, you can just put some on the palms of your hands just to kind of help so it doesn't stick. You can form them as thick or not thick, but the thinner you do it, the faster it'll cook. I've made these even into meatballs. Thank you. Yeah. So you can do that too, and it comes out pretty nice. You can make them big enough to make, you know, to put in a burger bun.
Poke yourself.
Okay, so I need a little more oil in my hands. They're sticky.
So you oil your hands?
Otherwise, it'll stick. Yeah.
First time I ever seen anyone use oil in their hands. To wipe it off when I work in the car.
It's quite quick to do.
Now, I know the teachers didn't tell you, students. But of course, you're gonna replicate everything after they're finished today. So we know that you get your test to see if you've gotten everything down pat.
Okay.
We're ready. Everyone agrees.
Do you agree?
Yeah, we're ready for this.
Because you're gonna be first.
No.